For what? At least 3 films. Because he's got to tank at least once. This should have
Gotta be.
tanked.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
and I don't think we're going to change anybody's mind.
Oh no, no.
I
And
expect to get comments. This
and I
was the
was
greatest Superman ever.
and I was talking about this with my girlfriend at the theater, and she felt the exact same way. The exact way. And she even said, "This is the biggest piece of shit." That's a quote.
Wow.
That's a quote. So that when she said that, I said, okay. But I have to say, because I said to her, these popcorn eaters, and I want to be them. I want to like the film, but I don't because it's terrible for all the
Yeah.
reasons I stated in the beginning.